This is called upper body rolling patterns. This is a great way to get some separation between the upper half and the lower half, as well as start to get those rotary slings moving. So you lie on your back in the starfish position. From here, I'm looking to separately pull myself over onto my stomach using only my upper body. So from the waist down, pretend like it's in a cement block. You start chin up, arm up, reach, come up into the air, nice big reach, pull yourself over, look at the separation between the hands and the hips, and then from there again, chin up, arm up, rotate, 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 and then you perform on the other side as well. That's upper body rolling patterns.